Hey guys, I love my plants. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder of a growing concept called Torpedo Pot, where all you do is put your seeds in this planter and it grows your food for you. You never water and you never have to feed your plants again in your life. All you do is supplement the soil because all of you have different soil types. And what we did is that we put celery in these planters about over a year ago, and they've been growing celery, maybe about 3-4 pounds of celery so far from this planter. We never have to change the soil. This plant will remain in this planter for the rest of its life. It will constantly produce celery for us throughout the various seasons. And it's growing right now. It was just covered with ice and snow. And these planters grow your food. These are torpedo pots. They're designed to grow your food for you. Now, those who are putting celery into the ground, if you use a torpedo pot, you never water your plants. You use your soil indefinitely. And you only plant one time. And all you do is just allow it to grow and keep adding soil to the top of the planter so it can continually grow. These systems are called sustainable continual growth systems. What they are is that they host biotic life in these planters. We took the materials that you're looking at right now and we configured it in such a way that it allows life to develop and grow. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. You don't water, you don't feed, all you do is supplement, and we provide the supplements. I'm not a big fan of pulling any plant out because these are all pretty much inside their planters. They're very firm and very rigid. They've been growing for a while now. So you can probably lift the whole planter up just with that one stalk or two stalks that are in there. Maybe one, two, three stalks that are in there. And so every time the snow melts and the freeze subsides a little bit, they start to grow and take off. So at this temperature, I'll be able to harvest them next week and have food on my table. Guys, these are torpedo pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter and they grow your food for you. They've been growing in this location now for about, 3-4 years, and we've been doing just fine. So all the plants that you have you'd have helped develop and grow last year are gone. You got to redo that all over again. Not with torpedo pot. You have a continual harvest and you only do it one time for a lot of your fruits and vegetables. Let torpedo pot grow your food. Stop spending hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to repeat something you did last year and you're getting even worse results. Torpedo Pot is a containerized growing system that is designed to grow your food for you. You don't have to do anything. And that's why I get fresh food all the time. My 2 to 3 pounds of celery that I've gotten from these planters will continually feed me and my family. And guess what? I love to be able to have the celery. People smell this as they walk up to the property. I've had a number of people walk onto this location, smell these planters and say, you know what? I smell food. I smell food. Have you ever smelled food in a while? That's why Torpedo Pot is the way to go. It develops the fungal appetite inside of your planter so the plant can use that to grow. It develops the biotic environment so that you'll have food for the rest of your life. Torpedo Pot. And it does it very well. So I wanted to be able to share that with you guys. We got carrots. Oh my God, I know you're gonna love the carrots video that I have. Stick with me, you're gonna love that. And of course, we've got the carrots, we got the beets. We're still growing a lot of beets. I'm gonna take a couple of beets out. The ground is still very hard, even though the snow has melted and the frost has subsided just a little bit. The inside of the plants is still very hard, so we won't pull our root crops out yet. We're gonna wait for it to soften up a little bit, and then we'll start pulling them out. What we do right now is that we start eating the top foliage of each one of the plants in preparation to either let that root grow more foliage or to harvest that root when it gets a little bit warmer up. John Radisson, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that are designed to grow your food for you. Never water, you never feed. The digestion process inside that planter feeds your plants for you. It's designed to take those particulates, to break them down, and make them available to the plant and the microbes in the soil. John Radisson, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.